Hi, Deadlock's here again, and if you haven't seen the short already, you have just put on some handcuffs that the key for does not work.
Fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it! Fix it, fix it, fix it!
As so, if I actually put the key in the keyhole.
Which is rather unhelpful.
Yeah, key. Doesn't work, does nothing. So, I'm going to try and get out of them. And I haven't actually decided how yet. I'll go with this one, since it's just there. If the shim will actually cooperate and go in. I think that side's a bit bent. Let's try that side. That side's not bent. That works. Come on, shim. Oh, this is the horrible sharp shim. There we go. And we're out.
Freedom, 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 oi! Freedom, 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 oi!
Ta-da!
Easy as that. Yeah, just because the key doesn't even work doesn't mean you can't get out.
Just have to be creative.
And that's Mrs. D's 2 pence.
Let's put it right.
That's all from us. See you next time.